Guys, welcome to another episode. It's not another episode, but welcome to the Amazon Affiliate Niche Site Build. This is a free course that we're offering here at Niche Site Vault, and we're targeting beginners and intermediates. So if you've never built a niche site before, or you are new to the online marketing game, then you want to watch this course to the very end. Of course, it's free, and just because it's free doesn't mean there's no value. In fact, this is the only course you'll need to build a thriving business this year. I wanted to give you an overview of what to expect in the coming days. So, this is what we're going to do. So this course consists of a series of videos that will take you straight from building your niche site all the way to growing it and eventually earning your first dollars online. So whether you're new to the game or you're just getting started, or perhaps you've been building your site and are not sure what you're doing, then you want to make sure you watch this course. The best way to get the most out of the course is to watch the videos step by step. That is because each video builds upon the previous video. So you want to watch the first video, then go to the next one, just like that. And that way, you're going to get the most out of the course. So, you might be wondering how much is this going to cost? Well, first of all, since it's on YouTube, you know it's entirely free. But of course, since you're building a business, there are some costs that you should expect to incur. So for instance, you might need to buy a domain name. Then of course, you might need to buy hosting. Perhaps you might need to buy some theme for your website and things like that. However, as I'm building this course, I'm keeping in mind that not all of us have huge budgets. So we're going to keep the cost to the bare minimal. Most of the time, we'll be using free resources. And in case we'll need to use paid resources, I'll show you where you can get the paid resources either for free, usually through a trial version, or either in another cheaper way. But generally, I will advise you to have on the minimum, you need to have about $100. If you have $100, you will be able to have your own website that will be generating income by the end of this series of videos. Of course, if you have more money, then you can speed up your process. That means you can use some extra money to do other things that you might otherwise have to do on your own. For instance, maybe you might decide to spend some money on hiring writers, or maybe you might decide to spend some money on maybe doing graphics and things like that. But if you'll be doing things on your own, you won't really need to spend up to $500. You'll only need a maximum of $100. So with $100, you'll have your own income generating website by the end of this course. One important thing that I want you to remember is that at the end of every video, we're going to have some resources that we'll have mentioned during the course. That means you'll need to check the description section for links to either worksheets, groups, tools, and other things that we could have mentioned in any of the videos that we'll be covering. And of course, we've made a specific Facebook group for this course. Just go on Facebook and search for Amazon Niche Site Build Group. Over there, you can connect with other people who are watching this course, and you'll find me over there answering the questions that you might have regarding any video that you will have watched. The group is basically a place where we can hang out, get critique about our website and niche ideas and things like that, and basically grow and build our businesses together. So before we even continue, just hop onto Facebook, search for Amazon Niche Site Build. There is the group. Of course, you also want to check us on our socials. Here are the links. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, and of course, we're on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be releasing these videos every other day, and you don't want to get left behind whenever you're posting new content. And with that said, welcome. Just make sure you take action, and if you get stuck, make sure you're asking questions in our Facebook group. And with that said, may the games begin!